Hi, welcome to the 2023 International Boat Show. We're here with Mercury Marine Limited, and we're introducing our new program with Ducks Unlimited Canada. This is Cameron Racine, one of our business development managers, and Dave Gibson of Ducks Unlimited.
How are you doing? Thank you very much. I'm Dave Gibson with Ducks Unlimited Canada, National Development Manager, and our new business associate with Mercury Marine with conservation efforts and water stewardship.
Want to look around the booth a little bit?
Let's take a look at it over here, guys. Yeah, for sure.
So here's one of our newest products that we're very excited about. It's our new Avator electric motor, and it's being featured for the first time here in Canada at the Toronto International Boat Show. And Cameron's going to walk you through some of the features of the Avator.
The Avator, initially coming out this spring, will feature a 750-watt engine. It is our first zero-emission engine that Mercury Marine has produced. We will have some larger options coming in the near future, and it will definitely be a large interest going forward with, avid boaters, conservationists, and anybody who enjoys clean power, clean water, and anything in that nature. So our initial outboard will feature an internal battery system that will be removable and that you can charge at home. You will not have the problem of having a fuel tank on the floor of the boat, so it gives you a lot more space and usage throughout. It will be available in a tiller configuration as well as remote control for boats with steering wheel configurations. It is fully removable from the transom bracket, so you don't have to unscrew it every single time. It can just come off. You can bring it in your car. You don't have to worry about any fuel smell or anything like that. It's fantastic for new boaters and existing boaters alike. So here's an example of a number of controls. We have a side mount control here as well as a binnacle. We will also have a helm display that will show current and available power to give you that visual aspect as well. So another interesting product that Mercury Marine offers is our line of Sea-Pro motors. These are designed to be our hard-working, leading industry, saltwater performance, as well as freshwater applications that when we need to have the greatest amount of power, greatest amount of workload, this is what you use, and it works awesome.
At Ducks Unlimited Canada, we're looking forward to using this Sea-Pro engine in our commercial applications and our restoration wetland work on fresh and saltwater shorelines across Canada.
The new V10 350 horsepower as well as 400 horsepower Mercury Verado. This engine features a 6.4-inch gear case and will be a staple in all large power boating across the country. Featuring the largest outboard within the marine industry, we have the Mercury Verado 600 horsepower. This engine is the first engine to ever carry a 2-speed transmission, rotating gear case, as well as a dual prop technology. This engine will also feature our AMS technology, giving it the ultimate stability, power, and distribution.
At Ducks Unlimited Canada, we're very excited about our business association with Mercury Marine Canada with the Avatar and zero emission controls. It fits in with our wetland and conservation efforts right across Canada. So thank you, Cameron, very much.
Thank you.
We're looking forward to do business in the future. Watch for future videos and advertising coming down from Ducks Unlimited Canada.
Be sure to subscribe to Power Boating for more great content.